Hello guys, today we're going to deploy the Next.js application in a Ubuntu server. So first step is to install the necessary things. One of the most important setup is to point your DNS records to the server. If we go here, I am going to add this record to this IP address, and this is the A record. So you guys actually need to add this record wherever you would like to host your domain or subdomain. If you're hosting your main domain somewhere, you just need to put at the rate. Sorry, I don't have it the record here. You just need to put at the rate instead of the name. So let's go here. You need to have an access to the server. I have an access here. So after logging into your server via SSH, you need to go to directory. I am in the Ubuntu, so I will go here, and you can see this directory is empty. Here we will create a folder by saying mkdir and create a directory actually. So sorry, I have created the wrong directory. Let's remove it. rf next.js, and or even it's okay. Let's create mkdir next.js, and after that we need to install the necessary things. Yeah, the first important thing is to install the Node.js. You just need to go to the official Node.js website and choose these options. The version of your Node.js you would like to. I am having the latest one, 22 and not 23. So select the fnm and npm. Execute these commands one by one, and after that this, and once you are done with installation of Node.js, you need to install this PM2. Just copy this command and paste it here. It will take a little bit of the time. Meanwhile, you can go to let this running and go to the directory of the project which you would like to host. Select all of the files and unselect the .git, idea, .next, and the other like applications. Sorry, the directories which are hidden, like GitHub has nothing to do with the deployment. Idea, Next.js or VS Code directories had nothing to do, and you also need to uncomment the and unselect the node modules, because it's not the required one. Env is up to you if you would like to host it or not, like you would like to submit or not. So let me click on zip. First of all, if you have WinRAR installed, it's much better. Otherwise, you can also use the compress2 and the zip file. Basically, you need to make a zip. So what we will do, we will add to archive, and in the zip, and just give it an easy name. Let's say s something like that. It should be just short and easy name which you can actually use on the server, and it should not be a lengthy one. So here we are having this s.zip in the directory. I will upload this s.zip to, okay, sorry, my IDE is pointing to this directory which does not exist. So let me point it to Next.js here. Okay, cd Next.js s and then ls. If you can see it's empty now. What I will do, I will upload it to the server. You can actually use any tool to upload. You can use the manual command via ssh, or by whatever mean you would like to upload. It's up to you, the choice is yours. Let's see how it's 108 MBs. It is going to take a little bit time because of my slow internet speed, so it's going to take a little bit of the time. I will just speed up the video from here. So the upload is complete here. Let's check again. As you can see, it's in the directory, and let's unzip it by typing unzip. But to unzip, you need to install apt sorry, you need to install the unzip command by sudo apt install unzip. Here you can see it says you want to install and blah blah, and of course we want to install it. And you can see it's getting installed, the unzip command. And this command is necessary to open up the zips which we have done. As you can see, our source code is in the zip form. We have uploaded it in the directory of where we want to put our code on the server. Come on, complete it. It's almost there. There is some kind of error, blah blah. It's just retrying again and again. There's some kind of issue with this Ubuntu of my client. I don't know what's wrong with this, but let's see what it comes up with. Okay, it just failed. By the way, your won't fail. Let's see, do it unzip. I think this has already the unzip, so we unzip it. It should be the same exact name with the case sensitive. So we do unzip s.zip here, and you can see it's unzipping. After the unzip is complete, if we refresh the files from here, you can see all of the files are here, but the one most important thing we are missing here is the node modules. So we will do npm install, and this command will install all the required node modules. So let this command be running. It can take a while. It depends upon your server's internet connection and the speed of the CPU, RAM of the server, and also on many factors like disk speed, etc. So it's done. It added 490 packages. Now the issue is serving of the Next.js application. If we go to packages.js, we can see these commands are available. This command is for running the development server, which is not applicable on this production. So we have to run this npm build, this one. So we'll do npm run build. Before that, you can see in the env we have to specify these things at which it's going to be hosted. We have the same thing in both of this. These are the code errors. These can be fixed. The developers can fix this. If you are a developer, you can fix such issues in your application. By the way, at this moment it is building the production. As you can see, it will create dot next blah blah. Okay, let's do here. This one actually creates some kind of map. So this is actually now ready to be served, but we need to run npm start. but we cannot start it directly from here. Now let me go to the client's domain name, which is new.rositaxicab.com. You can see it's serving the it is serving through process manager 2, which I will do here. PM2, as you can see, it's running here. I will stop it. PM2 stop process ID 0, and let's try to refresh it. You can see its service is unavailable. So this is how we actually use the process manager 2. We have to install it via this command, and after that, after it's done, we will do here, PM2 list, to list the running processes. Come on, I don't know why it's taking a little time. The PM2, it might got stuck somewhere. Come on. Anyway, you need to do an PM2, and if we go to the official documents of the PM2, we can just it actually does PM2 start, and after that it says blah blah. But actually we need to actually run our command where npm, and it's done with the commas. You can see, let me, I actually forgot what the command was. Okay, I think it's this way, npm start PM2 start. The PM2 is stuck. So here we need to serve this application on background process, so we will tell the PM2 to start it. So to start this on a specific portal, as you can see in this vhost configuration, I have specified this port number 3001. This is actually the virtual host of Apache 2 server, or Lightspeed web server. This is currently Lightspeed web servers configuration. You can also use Nginx. So by the way, we have to run our application 3001. To do that, we will run this command to start process manager, which is PM2 start npm. This is actually the parameters. This is command to pass the parameters, and this is the parameter we need to pass. So we will give it a name, and I will copy this to the video description too. So we need to start the command here. As you can see, the command is started. Now let's refresh our application to see if we are able to serve it. Yes, we're able to serve it via PM2. As to verify and for your security, if we start PM2, come on, PM2 stop process ID 0, it stopped. Now if I refresh, you can see it's unavailable, and to start it again, PM2 start process ID 0. So this way you can deploy the application, and to point the domain, you can use the DNS records to the server, and that's it. Almost everything. That's you can deploy it to your Ubuntu. And for any information you need, like if you need any help in deployment, you can contact me without any worries. Here is my email address. Please don't spam it. Here is my email address. You can contact me if you are facing any problem. I will try my best to help you. Thank you so much.